Hi guys, good morning. Alang, sa'yo nagdrama ni Wilon ay. Dapat lalong pupogi si William today kasi it's their picture day today. I want him to look guapo. Oh. Guys. Guys, hi guys. Guys, die karon. Hi guys. No. Alis ba? Spoon. So it's their school. Picture day today in his school. Ayan. Sumali eh. Ayun, saan ka?
My hair's so fluffy now. My hair is so fluffy. My hair was so fluffy. My hair was so fluffy. My hair was so fluffy.
Ano sabi?
My hair was so fluffy.
Pangit.
My hair was so fluffy.
Ayun, sabi ko lang.
Waylon, Mommy! Mommy, Waylon!
Wait. Diba? Saan niyo pag-smile? Saan niyo pag-smile? Hindi daw. Show me to them. Show me to them ba how to smile. Saan to?
Guys, today's morning and it's picture day at my school today.
Saan niyo pag-smile? Ana, ayo kayo. Ana. So, na-change na yung teeth ni William. Oh, tingnan niyo yung teeth ni William.
Bye!
Ano. Don't forget to smile. How to smile? Bye na. Kiss ko ba? Eat your breakfast. You have 20 more minutes left. I love you, Baba. Bye-bye, Nak. Oh, careful. Hi, Will. Hala. Magdali na. Kuha ganino, kuha. Hilom na. Good morning, guys. So, we're in the park. Hello, guys. So, nandito kami sa trangko. Ayan si Westig, isapot. Nagalit kasi siya. Ininom ni Waylon yung drinks niya. And then, ininom ko rin. So, we have pancake and muffin. You want this one? The sausage muffin with egg? Or do you want the muffin? Egg muffin? Highway. What do you want? This one? The egg muffin? Huh? Do you want the egg muffin? Oh no. Do you want that? Okay. Unsa may ingon? Okay, you're welcome. How about you, Waylon? It's okay. Hug kuya, be. Say sorry to kuya. Kiss kuya. Hug. I love you, kuya. Bird. Yes. Lumahan na siya, guys. You don't like this? Okay. You share with Waylon, okay? Oh, here, Waylon.
What's in this?
That's, eat na. Do you want syrup on it? Na, di man mo mga unoy. Galing pala kami, guys. Naghatid ni William. And then, we decided to stop by sa McDo. Tapos, mag-park na lang kami. Ask kuya first. Ask. You need to ask kuya. Okay. Thank you, kuya. Kanina, guys, iyak siya na iyak kasi ininom daw ni Wesley yung drinks niya. Ngayon, Imura na siyang am-aman. Ma-okay raman na siya. Good boy man eh. Okay, Kuya, Kuya, what's this turn? Kuya, what's this turn? You need to eat first. Thank you. Give that to Kuya. Give that to Kuya. And then, nag-decide na lang ako. Kasi hindi na kami nakapunta sa park. So, nag-McDo kami. And then, we're here sa park. Kasi pagkatapos nilang kumain, maglalaro kami. And then, mag-nap. Ha?
You eat this.
Okay, I'll eat this one. Salin-salin na dyan datuwa, guys. Ganahan ka, Wes? Ikaw, Willan na eat. Nice syrup. Syrup. Ilami.
This is I.
Try. Kuya. Oh, lami ka ayo. Ikaw daw, ikaw. Sige, ikaw, Willan. Hindi na niya. Kaunon eh. Done. Eh? Sabi niya, done. Did you hear that, Wes? Kakain. Ano lang, siguro kakain ito eh. Sabi ni Wesley, kakain daw siya ng muffin. So, nag-order ako ng muffin. Pero hindi guys, makaon. Wala na.
You eat this. You eat that.
Willan, sit down.
What happened to the door?
Ha?
The window.
Oh, eat na ba?
We eat this window.
How about you, Willan? No, eat egg. It's yummy.
Egg. Egg.
Eat lang, bite. Halika na, Way. Bye. Bye, guys. Psst, Willan. Willan. Naka. Way. Willan. Why you keep running? Gamot. Masid kong Willan ay. Oh. May ganit. Diha na ka na kuan. Diha na ka na dapa. Wala. No way. Wesley, where are you? Ali. Ali, be. Kami lang dito, guys. Close the door, na. Close the gate, please. Close the gate. Gihanga kong Willan. My goodness, Willan. Imo gusto kong ipadagandagan. Squirrel, Willan na. Hala, tinawa, Willan. Mahadlok ko na silang tao. No. Go, Wayla, Wesley. Sama na, oy. Kami pala ang tao dito. Ang aga namin kasi. What? Unsa man na? That's squirrel. Hi, boy. Hey, stay here. Waylan. Hi, Waylan. Wow, peekaboo. Okay. Hinay lang. Wilan, alis away. Enjoy na enjoy talaga sila dito, guys. Like, if ma-bored sila sa bahay, pwede lang sila sa park. Hi, boy! Ah, padidit naman si Wesley, boy. Sige, Wilan, go, Wilan! Go, Wilan! Help him, kuya, help him. Oh, go, Kuya Wes! Hadlock siya, nak. Dito na lang ang slide, dali. Asa naman kawilon? Sige, ali. Ali, hold mami, ali. Hold mami. Ah, yay! Good job, Kuya. Go. Why are you scared? Don't be scared. Water break muna, guys. Singot na kayo, may buyag. Hi, Wes. Giuhaw si Wesley. Gusto niya magtubig. Nagtataka siya. Ikaw, Ilan. Ikaw, Ilan. Straight mo hanggang. Ayaw, Ilan. Ayaw, ayaw. Kaya nagputo siya. Di mong kuya, oh. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Fierce. Like, look at mommy. Straight. Ana. Look, akuha sa Wesley. Ana. Hala, guys. Kikaon man sa bird ang among food.
I will give. I will give that, mommy.
Yung bago talaga kinuha. Oh my gosh.
Mommy.
Ayaw na. Kanilang kana. Since ilahan naman ang gikaon, kana na lang. Nilagay lang kasi namin yung pagkain namin dito.
Dala, oh, big.
Ibutang lang diha, Wes. Ibutang lang diri, Wes. Wesley. Ibutang dito. Ibutang. Kaunon ra na nila. Dito. Nan, hawa diha kay kaunon ra na niya. Ikaw ang suspect, ha? Yeah, eat. No, Waylon. Yeah, let's sit down, Pat. Patik-atik ang bird ba? Sila juga kaon. But it's okay, that's cute. Kinuha ni Wesley yung ano. Wesley, natakot sila sa iyo, Wes.
Ha?
Nahadlok sila. Pagdagan nila. Ayaw, Wilon. Ayaw, hamagawilon. Dili, cause they're eating. Ayaw lagi. If you go there, they not gonna eat. O, diba? Oo. Gipanggutom ang bird. Ilahan ng breakfast. Thank you, Wes. Thank you. Sabi talaga ni Wes, please, mommy. Kaya daw ihatag sa bird. Ayaw. Hala, tanawa, nag-eat ang bird. O, kung di mo dool, mo-eat sila. Apo squirrel, o. Iyan tang plano nga kwaon ang gaunon ng kwaon. No! Wala, no. To him, hold him. Popsicle. Like that. Smile sa bao. Ay. I'm back, guys. Kanina, pagdating namin, yung mga bata, pinaliguan ko, tapos milk, and then, nag-nap. So ngayon, they're playing. Watch Rain on YouTube. Tsaka si Wesley nag-play sa Xbox. Then si William, si Tom na yung nag-pick up sa kanya kasi maaga nakauwi si Tom sa work. So siya na yung nag-pick up while kami nag-nap kami tatlo. So ngayon guys, magluto ako ng lipstick. Nag-marinate man ako ng 1 hour. So 15 minutes na lang magluluto na tayo. So yun yung hapunan namin. But first, I need to make rice pamandian. Ayaw lagi cry. You don't need to cry, Wes. When you ask something. I don't know how, Wesley, what happened to this, Wesley boy? Nalagay ko kasi yung luwag doon sa lababo. Like, ang hirap magluto guys na may bata. Magdagandagan pa. Muatog CR, mukatkat, muatog kuan, kaya mukatkat. Pero alam niyo, masarap. Sarap niya do. Yummy. Kain na tayo guys. Maghukad ako para sa mga bata. So this is our dinner guys. It's beef steak na walang sabaw kay nahubsan. So ayan. So ayan guys, si William ayaw niya mag-rice but he tried it and it's yummy daw. Lami. Why you don't want rice? Is it yummy, Wilon? Ha? Lami? Oh, lami, Wes? Is it yummy, Wes? That's good.